Hello and welcome to our video today. In this video, we will be discussing local area networks, or LANs. LANs are a fundamental part of modern communication technology, and understanding them is critical to using computers in the modern world. A local area network, or LAN, is a network of computers and other devices connected to each other in a relatively small area, such as an office building, school, or home. LANs are used to share resources like printers, files, and internet connections, and they provide a way for multiple users to access these resources simultaneously. There are many different types of LANs, and they can be set up in a variety of different ways. LANs can be wired, using Ethernet cables to connect devices together, or they can be wireless, using Wi-Fi to connect devices without the need for physical cables. In a wired LAN, devices are connected to a central switch or hub, which allows them to communicate with each other. In a wireless LAN, devices connect to a wireless access point, which serves as the central hub for the network. LANs are often used in business environments, where they allow employees to share files and resources, communicate with each other, and access the internet. They are also used in homes, where they allow multiple devices to connect to the internet and share files and media. So, that's what a local area network is. Whether you're at work, at school, or at home, chances are you're using a LAN every day without even realizing it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And as always, feel free to leave any questions or comments in the section below.